Having trouble logging in with your fingerprint on the point of sale system? Here are some steps you can try. 1. Check the fingerprint reader. Make sure the cable connecting the fingerprint reader to the point of sale system is secure. Verify that the reader's lights are on, indicating it's receiving power. 2. Re-enroll your fingerprint. If you receive an "person could not be identified" message when trying to log in, consider re-enrolling your fingerprint. Here's how to re-enroll. In the top left corner of the point of sale login screen, find the springboard menu icon and enter your access code. Locate the Employee Admin option within the Features menu. Find your employee profile and click on the fingerprint icon associated with it. Scan the chosen finger 5 times. You should receive a success message upon successful enrollment. 4. Contact support. If the fingerprint reader seems faulty or none of the above solutions work, please log a call with our call center for further assistance. They will be happy to help you diagnose and resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to get your fingerprint login up and running again.